How to draw a St. Patrick's Day hat, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? I hope you're having a great day today. So for the first step of our drawing, we're going to begin by drawing a big circle towards the top center of our page. This will be the top of our St. Patrick's Day hat. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. Just keep in mind that we upload every single day. If you're looking for more St. Patrick's Day drawings, then you came to the right place. Down in the comments below, I'm going to add some more videos like how to draw a leprechaun and how to draw a pot of gold, as well as how to draw a 4-leaf clover. Nice, that's a great start because that circle will serve as the base of our entire drawing. Now on the left and right side of our circle, we're going to draw two long curvy lines that are slightly curved. The right line will be a little bit longer than the left. This is because our hat will appear as if it is on an angle. Now you're thinking, Nathan, what do I do next? I have a circle and two lines. Well, I'll tell you, right here on the left hand side, we're going to begin to draw a long hook-like curved line that will connect to both of the bottom points of the lines that we just drew. This will help make the top of the brim of our hat. Now you might have noticed, but that bottom line on the right hand side isn't completely connected. I'm going to go ahead and connect that right now. So far, making great progress. If you need a moment to catch up, then just go ahead and pause the video right here. Next, we're going to draw an outline around that line that we just drew together. This will help us finish drawing the brim of our hat. Now in the center space of our hat, we're going to begin to draw a belt and belt buckle on the bottom. We'll first begin by drawing the belt buckle, which will be a little bit taller than the belt itself. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors if you would like to. Now on the inside of the shape that we just drew, we're going to draw a small square. This will help us separate the colors from brown and yellow. Now last but not least, we're going to draw two lines that connect to the middle belt buckle so that we can finish drawing the belt. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing came out great. Don't forget that if you want me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. And if you'd like to help us continue to grow our YouTube channel, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what else you'd like to learn how to draw. Great job today. See you tomorrow. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.